Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the recorder interface directly. This is faster and avoids mobile app quirks. Log in with an admin account because you need delete permissions. Once done, connect a USB stick or map a network share to export any clips you might need. That protects evidence before removal. Then open the storage or playback menu and select the specific camera and date range you want to modify. This narrows the task and prevents accidental mass deletion. Now focus on precise selection so you only remove unwanted footage. Use the timeline scrub or the file list to jump to the start time, then set an in point and an out point for the recording segment you want to remove. If the system supports checkboxes, batch select multiple files to save time. Next, choose the delete method. A permanent delete removes files instantly, whereas changing retention forces older files to be overwritten. Pick based on whether you need Finish by confirming the deletion prompts. Many systems require a second confirmation to prevent accidents. After the process completes, replay the affected timeline and check free storage metrics to ensure the files are gone and retention rules are applied. If you need to maintain a chain of custody, record deleted file ID and timestamps. If deletion fails, make sure your account has sufficient permissions, stop any active exports that lock files, and reboot the recorder. This often clears locks and resolves permission glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.